back to my channel. As you can see, I have a shit ton of laundry to fold. It's been about 2 weeks since I folded laundry. It's all just been like accumulating. We've just been ruffling through baskets and piles to try to find clothes to wear. So I thought I would do Laundro-Chat. I think Love Make started this. I can link her channel down below, but basically I'm just going to fold all this laundry and chat with you guys at the same time. Obviously, I'm not going to chat folding this whole pile of laundry because that would take 5 years, but I'm going to hop back. I'm going to speed it up, and then I'm going to hop in and out of here if I decide I have something to talk about or whatever. Jacob is here. Can you see him? Hey, you can't lay in the bed right now, sorry. I'm just going to start folding. We got a while. It's 8:24 right now. Let's see how long this takes us. I got my Under Arrest show on. I'm trying to watch other things besides Forensic Files. So I switched it up a tiny bit and I'm watching Under Arrest on Netflix. It's like Cops but in Canada. And they don't censor out much of anything. Like, you see pretty much everything they see. I've been working on my bullet journal today. I got a hand in there. This is my life. Dog hair everywhere. I cleaned the bathroom. I did a deep clean of the bathroom and I filmed that for you guys. And then I just edited a makeup video. And I was working on my bullet journal. I want to start, well, I got a bullet journal a few weeks ago and I really want to get into tracking, you know, just being organized. Basically, I don't have things going on, but I think I would like to keep track of certain things to like look on in the future. Hi. I told you I'm stockpiling videos. Plus all this shit had to get folded, so I plan on doing a video of my pages so far after I get a few more done. I'm going to do like monthly pages and then I have yearly pages, so I'm just working on them here and there. So I'll show you them in a video coming up.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
What have you guys been up to? I work so freaking much. I've never worked full-time before. And I'm working full-time now.
You work a lot?
I work a lot. I'm used to working like 4 to 9 Monday through Thursday.
Single moms will work twice as much as you do.
Okay? I'm just
And that's
saying.
33 minutes.
I told you there was a timer. I'm just saying, I'm not used to it. But the good news is I haven't been very depressed lately, which is a plus. I don't know if I told you, but I'm fully off of my anxiety meds that I took for 5 years. I weaned myself off of them because I didn't feel like they were really helping. So, and because I don't have health insurance. And I didn't want to have to worry about getting refills or whatever. Just weaned myself off it and I feel normal. Like, I feel just fine. Like, I still get little bouts of anxiety every now and then, but I feel like I know how to deal with it now. So it's not like debilitating like it used to be. Like, I couldn't leave the house before. Like, you can ask Matthew. It was terrible. wait to have money though again and like start doing like more hauls and stuff, like thrift hauls. I miss so much going to thrift stores. And we'll be getting like new furniture for the bed, like, or for the bedroom, like finally a bed frame, and it's not sitting on the floor. So it's just, I don't know, like, I think to myself, would I rather have all this extra money and never be at home to enjoy the things that I buy, or to work a lot and then have money for things? You know what I mean? I feel like I work so much, but I'm never at home to enjoy anything anymore. And then when I am at home, it's like, well, I have to clean, and then I have to cook, and I have to do the laundry, and I have to do my YouTube and spend time with the dogs or whatever. It's like, I've never been so busy in my life, like never have free time. Like, I haven't been able to watch YouTube videos in so long. What? Pause. I don't know where I was, but complaining about life, probably. We haven't got groceries in like 2 weeks because I haven't got a paycheck in like 3 weeks because of how my work schedule, like how I started on the pay period or whatever. So a lot of sandwiches, and that's it. Like, not eating junk food anymore, like hardly at all. Like, I used to eat like bags of chips and dip and stuff, and like I haven't been able to eat anything. I'm just craving Doritos so bad, but I know like it's probably like a good way to get my body not used to eating junk food. And yeah, do you guys work full time? And then, I mean, I know it'd be much harder if we had kids. Like, I don't even know. No, would not be able to do it. I know there's people out there that do, but what is y'all's? Like, do you guys work like full time and then have to come home and take care of the house as well while your husband doesn't do much? He did clean the kitchen for me the other day, which was nice. But it's like the house just gets progressively worse as the week goes on because I just have no motivation to clean it when I get home at like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. And then I sleep until, well, I get home about 12:30, 1 o'clock usually. And then I'll fall asleep about 3 o'clock, and then I'll sleep from 3 till 1, 2 o'clock usually, and then I have to get ready for work. So I think I just need to start getting up earlier and doing stuff that I want to do then. It's just, and I think I'm only going to work like this for another couple of weeks. We had some bills that we've been behind on that we're finally going to be able to get caught up on. So I think I'll probably only work 4 days a week instead of 5 after that, which still basically all my money is extra for like groceries and extra bills I would need to pay off. But after we get that stuff paid off, man, it's going to be smooth sailing. Hopefully we'll be able to like get money saved. This is probably boring. Let's just have a montage for a while.
started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling.
I've got last little bit left. Let's chat while I do this last bit. Man, my body is getting old. Like, I'm sore right now. Matt just turned 26 the other day. He doesn't feel any different. Man, once I hit like 28, I'm getting like gray hairs. My joints are stiff. Like, you should see me. Sometimes when I sit down and I go to get up again, my leg is so stiff. I don't know what it is. Like, I've never hurt my leg or anything. It just decides it doesn't want to move anymore. I have to kind of like walk it off. I can see the light. I can see the end. I still have a whole basket of shit I have to hang up, but you know what? I'm not doing that today. This is enough for me. Now, man, I feel like this video was a fail. Did y'all enjoy it? Like I said, leave me some topics or something, questions that I can answer next time to, you know, make it more entertaining. I wasn't really sure what I was going to talk about going into this video, and I dang near didn't really talk about nothing. So hopefully, if y'all hand me some questions, leave me some questions in the comments, this video will go from a 5 to at least a 7, you know. I don't know. Ugh, I'm sweating. I'm trying to race the clock. I'm not looking at it anymore until I'm done. Plus, I'm cooking chicken in the oven, and it's probably almost done by now. I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day.
They're coming. What happened? I know. I see that. What happened? Who stabbed you? Yeah. Just hang on right now. We got your health is so more important.
I'm done. I'm done. It's 9:03 right now. What time did we start? I don't even remember. Ugh. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video a little bit. It's not a speed clean, but still hopefully you got some motivation to fold all your laundry. Hopefully you don't have as much as me. Now I gotta go put all this away, but anyways, thanks for coming by and hanging out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!